Happy birthday to you.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, guys, as you can see, we are back home, but we are not done with our birthday celebration vlog. So you guys really enjoyed the vlog of us at Good Hope in Trelawney, but I do have some more footage that I'd love to share with you. I also want to pick up all of the wonderful people at Good Hope, especially Susan, Miss Barbara, Dorothy, Jalika, Vado, Queen G. Look here, Pat, everybody who literally just made our stay so comfortable, so wonderful. They filled up our souls with their good energy and their amazing food. I have to talk about the food. The food was so good. So many others as well who are down there with us. Dane, Tony down at the beach, aka Bigger. We're just grateful, you know. I have to make mention as well of Vada, who one day followed Daddy down to the river because Daddy wanted to fish. And he followed Pops and he built a fire down there and they fished, and it was just such a great experience for my dad. So yeah, I'm really grateful to everybody who went above and beyond to make sure that we had the most beautiful birthday celebration, and we did. So I'm gonna just throw back to some of that footage for you guys, just a little bit of what we had left over, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, so I'm about to go and get a massage. Tessie showing me the way she just had one. Child, I can't wait. Even though there was a little emergency just now, but I've left Jackson in good hands. He had a little pool accident that he bit his tongue very badly. Of course, that would happen right before I'm booked to do this, but you know what? Thank God. May I look forward to a little relaxation. Can't wait. No man, they make you work for go get this massage, yeah.
But look at this view.
Oh, he's over here. Okay, let's see. Oh, lovely. Outside.
On fire later.
Oh, it's up. We must go. Oh, okay. I love it. All right, I can't wait. No, I just can't go in. No, it's fine. Yay. Okay, so I just got in and the bed is ready to go. And I'm ready to go. I can't wait. See you in a few.
And you know what? When things going too good, them say chicken Mary, hot then near. But you know, aloe vera and beer things. Good thing with their bush and have some little bush remedy can turn to. Jackson just hurt himself in the pool.
We think we make some soup for us tonight.
Let me see that tongue. Gashing. And then a gash on him chin. Oh boy.
Before this?
No, man, make it rub off and penetrate.
Yeah, push it up in there.
Can I?
Here, I'll try.
Nurse Tessie. And Nurse Ceci. And Nurse Momo. And Nurse Ayla.
You like the coolness?
Why?
Would you like some ice around your jaw? And a towel?
Why? Beep, beep, beep.
And Nurse Ivy. Finish? Alright, put it down right there. Daddy throw it away, okay? What's in there? That's your cup?
Yeah.
Okay. Ivy, Daddy, and Jackson and Atlas went ziplining. Yeah. Little more finna see we. Little more finna make it back.
Tami,
That's my guy.
and happy birthday,
Ivy.
Ivy.
Watch your man. Fresh off of the
Happy
tree,
birthday,
Aldane bring
Eva.
this.
It's the 2014.
Wow.
No, sir. No, Lance, just give me back 1 year for my life. Oh my gosh. God bless Mr. Lance. 10 years for my life. Amazing, rejuvenating, and just so wonderful. Great energy, great experience. Big up yourself, Lance. All right, back to the reality that is vacationing with your family. What is happening out here? Hello. It was so good. Thank you for asking.
You can see all the blood in your face. The circulation get going.
I'm saying, hi, Ivy. You there? You hanging out with Daddy? Moon. Let's see. You're right. Mr. Moon, are you hiding from us? Oh, you guys are great. Let me take a picture of you. You drinking coconut water? Wow.
Mommy, that was mine, but he can have it.
Oh, that's kind of you. Did you enjoy that?
But it's the pool water.
No, stop tell lie. True?
No, man, no.
Okay. No, don't put it in the pool.
It's coconut water.
Yummy.
I don't know to make sure it's spicy and
We never know, but now we know.
Yes.
Now we know. Thank you, guys.
So welcome. If you would like to taste it before, we have fish fingers for the baby. Yes, fish fingers. Because I know about children.
Sorry. Sure have this.
Me tell you, this thing hot, like I know it's a fire, but between that and this house.
It's a half moon.
Guys, the sparks are blowing my way.
Guys, let's move these shows back and
No, they're blowing my way too.
Wow.
Open it. Ivy, open it. Open it.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Let me help you untie this.
Are you one? Are you two?
Yes,
Are we so excited, guys? Our little bean is two. She's trying.
We're just taking off the
This is a gift from Auntie Tessie and the girls.
Yeah.
Yeah, take this off for her.
Pull it.
What? Keep going.
Keep it going.
Yay! What is it, Ivy?
It's a mermaid.
Oh!
It's a mermaid.
Wow.
Your first dolly. Your first Barbie.
And they have cones.
What? Do you like it? Oh, and look.
This is from Mikhail.
Mikhail. Thank you. Ivy, look, another present. Wow. She's gonna love this.
Oh yeah, I love this.
That's ABC.
The ABC.
Oh, Auntie Tisha.
Yeah.
Ivy.
Look here, Ivy. This is from you know who.
That's from Momo. Open it up. That's so kind, Momo. Ready? Pull this, Ivy.
Pull it out.
Pull it down. Pull it down.
Yay! Pull it out. What's inside? You're going in the pool already? All right then. It's only 7:30. Go on then. Have fun. I love you. Careful. You love that dolly? The dolly on the bike?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's some fish.
Yeah.
You like
So
it?
nice. Atlas and Ozzy are already in the pool.
Really?
Yeah, and today we're gonna go on the beach as well. So
Bitch.
yes, beach.
So her here going hold up in the pool.
It's not. It's just Momo wanted to just have our little birthday ready. Momo gave her a gift. Auntie Tessie gave her a gift. Auntie Tisha sent a gift for her. Very sweet.
Oh my gosh.
She's having quite the morning. You are sweet, mommy. And Auntie Tessie gave her her first Barbie. Yeah, a lot of things happening. And breakfast is being made, so. Let me go finish up my coffee.
You see that?
Yeah, because she needs it.
Your brother feeding you.
Big lady. You done?
What you want now? What up?
Good job, big brother. Look at this spread. Rondon, dumpling, yam, banana. What's this? I don't know what that is, but I know it's
Vegetable rundown, salt mackerel rundown.
Oh, and then this is vegetarian bacon. I joke. Barbara face, she fret. And then this is the best homemade yogurt and a fruit salad. And this is a homemade granola. So awesome. Yeah.
Good morning, guys.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, my brethren.
Big boss. Happy Father's Day.
Respect, man.
A lot to give thanks for. The best way to spend Father's Day. And then obviously it's Ivy's birthday to say, you know, more bonus. And we'll have new grandniece and all these things in the family. Whole heap of things to celebrate. Boy, Pops, for your family, boy, I'm not telling lie here, see this very blessed. What a piece of extension. Look at him, man. Trust me, you must feel blessed the way you really look on it.
I'm feeling so blessed to wake up and all this is happening.
Yeah, man.
Honest, I feel so blessed.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You know,
And the boys in the pool and beer things. Look here, man.
it's just a blessed day.
See the birthday girl coming around there. Birthday girl. Birthday girl. What you sweetie? Look at the toys. Wow. And I hear Auntie Tessie give you a Barbie.
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 First ever Barbie.
Hello.
Sweet, it's true. What I don't know, man. The first Barbie.
Maji.
This morning I fed Ivy some applesauce. Try it over there.
It's such a great day.
My son done come tell me happy Father's Day already. Hug me up in bed.
Yes, mom.
Respect, you know, Maji. You know, and nothing but love, right? All love.
Ready for the beach?
Yep. How you feeling now, Bubba?
My tongue is hurting badly.
Yeah.
And my chin feels like absolutely nothing.
Yeah. Let me see. Alright.
And then my tongue.
Yikes. And the next side, but it's healing up quick, you know. Fun fact. Tell them a fun fact about your tongue.
The tongue is the fastest healing part of your body. So this should be gone by like Monday.
Remember that. That is it.
That's for you, Daddy.
What? Oh my goodness. Thank you. Wow. That's awesome. And thank you, Mommy. Everybody good to go. Watch out, Mamsie. Okay, here, go in there. Alright. Everybody good to go. Yeah.
Okay, what else? Bacon. Alright, let's get you a piece of bacon. Tell me what else. No eggs?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ivy. the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Wow.
Ready for cake?
Yay.
Sweating out. Let's cut the cake.
Ready?
Ready? Go ahead. 1, 2, 3.
Yay, Princess Ivy. Happy birthday.
She's so happy.
2-year-old.
She loves it. She loves it.
And Mr. and Mrs. Mitchell, Pops, Gigi,
Yeah, everybody home now.
yes, I would love to say to you, you're so welcome at any time. Please, just make it be your home also, just like how they make it be their home. Thank you so much for coming, all right?
Thank you for your blessing.
Enjoy the beach and have a safe ride home, all right?
Oh my gosh, what a warm welcome, what a wonderful stay, and what a just amazing goodbye. It felt like we were with family. It felt like we were people who truly cared about us and loved on us and really poured so much joy and just love into us. So what a blessing. We'll definitely be back. Anyway, we're heading to the beach now to enjoy the rest of Ivy's birthday and Father's Day with some of Jamaica's best dads. So I'm excited about that. Let's do that.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was so much fun going to Good Hope and just, having the best weekend ever with family.
Guys, we're now here to tell you that the renovation is 100% complete. And it is time, it is that time you've been all waiting for. And you're going to get a video tomorrow. If you're ready for it, drop it in the comment section. We're so excited to share all of what we've been doing for the last couple of months in secret. Secret, top secret. No, not really.
The MTM makeover series is, you know, just such a fun one, and you guys always love these videos, so we're really hoping that you will enjoy the video that will come out tomorrow. So definitely join us back. I can't promise you a time yet, but it's gonna be well worth it.
So make sure you have on your notification bell and all of these things, and just look out for something tomorrow.
Yeah.